Yeah, it's two. It's a 2 cups per box that you put in there. So however many that is.
You gotta have the cup, alright?
Yeah.
A little baking butter.
So 2 times 4 is 8. So you're gonna put 8 cups in there with those 4 boxes of pudding mix.
You wanna help me pour this in? Yeah? Alright, good. I saved it. Alright. Here, help me turn it. You gotta help me turn it. Oh, look at that. Another one? Another one? Ooh. So now look at that. Now look at that. Do it again? Alright. Alright, turn it down. How much is it?
It says 2 cups of cold milk.
This is so good. Can you turn? I have a turn. I'll turn it in there. Ooh. I got one more. One more. You want to do it? Alright. Got one biscuit.
Yeah, yeah.
What? Not you. What are you mixing it? Is that right?
No, you got 2 minutes.
Oh.
So it's probably like 5 minutes. So you put 4 boxes in there with you. It's gonna get thick. You don't have to stir it. Just put it like right down the center.
Well, I can
And turn it. Oh, you want to power the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
You picking it up now?
yeah, picking it up.
You see it?
Yeah. Huh? I want to machine right here.
Oh, they like putting the cookies down. They like that.
They're like what?
Put the cookies on there. Yeah. So you think it's too thick and you need a little bit more milk in there, or you good? Okay. All right, so we on the that's it? Yeah. Okay, good. So we on the that's it. Cut it.
Oh.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, you said a quarter.
All right, so we're gonna mix that in there. Let's switch that in there. And then we're gonna take the cookies. Just a little bit of lemon juice. Just take the sweetness off. It'll get so sweet. It's banana cream and French vanilla pudding mixed together. So one of each. And we're gonna use this pan. So this bowl, so what we're gonna do is we put 4 boxes. 2 banana cream. Wash your hands, right? Yeah, turn it down like that.
Oh, I didn't know this was important.
Mm-hmm.
For what?
What you mean for what?
Why is this important?
It probably ain't important. I mean, you know, you being a mathematician at all, we realize that it's not that important, but it's just, you know, how like that. But once all that stuff get in there, it's gonna flatten down anyway, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So, but anyway, this is what we doing. Flat side down. And then, what a thing we want to cut the bananas. You want to cut the bananas for them bananas? Or Steve, you gonna cut the bananas? Let's gonna cut these bananas. And you usually want some bananas that's kind of bruised like that. So you'll know, like these were like the most bruised they was in the store where I went. Because they always green. So you want them to be a little bruised up like that. And they're usually sweeter. Like the more they're bruised, the sweeter they are. And so you want to use those. And those are pretty small bananas. So Vanessa gonna cut these bananas up and see what's gonna make another layer there. So here we are. We made the layer of bananas on top of the cookies. Are we supposed to be cold tomorrow? Maybe rain tonight. That's another win. I don't know what the storm coming. Where's this wind coming from?
Oh, yeah, it's raining. It was supposed to rain.
Oh, okay. Where's it going to do then?
Like I said, it was like bird box earlier.
Yeah, bird box is something else.
You had questions, like, you know.
This is cool?
What's over there? No, chewing.
Oh,
They got
you
a
want
layer.
to
Yeah.
We gonna use all these bananas.
It's only 2 layers?
Well, yeah, for that bowl. And I'll show you how to make the top of it. I usually put a meringue on top, but I didn't get the meringue is made from the egg whites, and I didn't get that today, so I missed out. So this is not gonna have meringue on top. And apples and bananas.
I want a banana.
So you're missing the family banana making banana pudding. So
Wash your hands. Wash your hands. You got something for y'all at the end. So you got
that's one
some.
layer.
I
You
know
only
you got some more.
there.
Okay, so put your pudding on top of that. I don't know about that spoon.
No. I
No.
gave her the black one.
Where the black one is?
It's the one that's sticking out at the top. No. Over here. Over there, right there. Yep, that one. I already rinsed it off.
Alright, so yeah, so you're gonna put it there. It's thick. Yeah, okay, so we probably need a little bit more milk in there. So put like 3 spoonfuls on top of there and then spread it out. You can use your knife. So yeah, put 2 more on there.
It's not nasty. It's pudding.
Just a little bit more on there and spread it out. Alright, so spread that out. Gotta even it out a little bit all around.
A little bit on there.
Yeah. So trying to follow the manufacturer's directions and putting it together. It's a little bit.
That's all it is.
Alright, so yeah, spread it out all over. So you don't see when you spread it, you don't want to see no cookies or. You want to say something on top now, son. Listen, okay, so all around there.
Yeah, let's bring up the.
Bananas?
Yeah.
Okay, hold it.
I think that do some.
Spread it around and scoop that off of there. Spread it around. I didn't even get in that video. I know I was like a hot mess. It's like going through. Handsome. Oh my God, he's so handsome. I didn't tell you.
Wait, next time, man, it looks good. What you saying?
Yeah.
I like that good.
So you're gonna make perfect cake in. So on top of there, we're gonna put another layer of cookies. Steven, take the cookies out of there because you finna mess up now.
So you want to put them face down again?
Face down, yeah.
All right.
All face down. You need another bowl to put them in or something?
Sorry. You gonna help me out? We're gonna grab some cookies. We're gonna put them face down.
Yeah, I got one for y'all too.
All right.
All around there. You finna hop around the table. I think it's in my drawer, in the back one drawer. Don't hop off the table.
Okay, stop. I'm putting it on there. No, stop.
Stop. Put a bowl for him.
Put it up. Yeah, right next to it. Just drop it. Yep, just drop it next to it. Good. Just like that. All right. You can fight. Yeah, you fight.
Eat the cookie.
Eat the cookie on the table, Katya.
Eat the cookies.
Eat the cookie. Yeah, now these, they don't like bananas. You know what they like? They like the pudding, bananas, cookies,
Separately.
Oh.
They don't like it together.
Uh-uh.
Or you put the banana pudding on the plate, put the cookies on there, and you put cookies.
Oh, it's hard work right here, boy. Hey, look at see, putting in all this work.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Let's go one more again.
Alright, so you want to put the rest of those bananas on top of there? Put them all in there.
You fired too, Messiah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go on and eat the rest of them cookies, Si. You earned it. Share with your brother. He wants some more too, I'm sure. Go around on the other side of the table.
Other side. Don't reach across the table. Don't reach across that. Go on the other side. Back up with your cookie crumb. You gonna put cookie crumb in the banana? Oh, side.
Set on the bread roll. So, honey, that's some, what kind of bread that is? Hawaiian sweet rolls, baby. I don't know what you got to do. Nash down if you want to, but when they come about the day. Oh, them Hawaiian sweet rolls don't play now. I ain't playing with me, baby. They can be flat bread, I don't care. Hawaiian sweet rolls, flat bread. Watch your hair, son.
Yeah, so.
You said watch his hair.
Yeah, it's gonna dip all in there. We're gonna have banana pudding dread.
Dread banana pudding.
Dread banana pudding.
Your brother's so cute, look. Come here. Yeah, he's putting the bananas on top of the cookies.
I mean, I was making sure we got it fit.
Make sure each cookie have a banana.
Yeah.
You cute, Steven. You cute.
Well, I think it was.
Oh, look at that. He just made sure each cookie had a banana on top.
Are we done?
Yeah, I guess so. So you're gonna take the rest of that and you're gonna put that on there. And the kids are eating the rest of the cookies. If they would wait, they can have a bowl with the rest of the pudding too.
Oh, you said they separate.
Yeah, they like the cookies and they pudding, they banana separate. Yeah, we got another box over here, I think. But what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do after this. I already got some up there that's already crumbled up, so we can use those to put on top when you're done.
Okay, wait. You ain't wait, did you?
Hold on.
Remember you asked about cookies and I said there's a crunch. You ain't, it's still there.
Okay. You got me? I ain't touched it.
I was asking last time.
Oh.
Yeah, so that helps to spread it around a little bit better. I'm putting icing, almost like putting icing on the cake. Banana pudding.
Yeah.
So that's about it. One bag up there, that's already got crunch up cookies in it. So we don't have to crunch up anymore. And you're gonna need some more cookies. So what we're gonna do with the top of it, since you got 2 layers on there, and so you're gonna take the cookies, and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna turn around. So you take the crunch cookies and you put it all in the middle, but we're gonna do that last. So now we're gonna need some more cookies, and I'm gonna show you how to put them around the side.
That's it, huh?
So you're gonna line them up around the side, with flat side facing out. Y'all good over there? You wanna eat the rest of that pudding out of there? You got some pudding in there. Eat that pudding.
Like this.
That way.
Like this.
Yes. So you stick it down in there.
Like that or
Yes,
all the way?
all the way down in there. See what Vanessa just did?
This is the
Yes.
chef touch.
Yes.
This is presentation.
Exactly.
All right.
Yes, that part. Yes.
They like the pudding.
That's how they do it. They used to take the cookies and scoop it up with the cookies.
They don't want all in one.
Mm-hmm.
And this one in the middle?
Yes, and then you take the scrunchie and you just sprinkle it in the center over the top. You just take that and sprinkle it on top. Yes. And that's just a bag of scrunchies. So you're just gonna sprinkle that on top, and we're all done. Yep. Yes. And we're done. Yep. Kids, you guys are good? Y'all good over there? Y'all good? Thank you, Vanessa. We appreciate your help. Steven, good job.